Hey everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. I don't know what day it is. February 20th. Post option expiration in February, third week of the month. This market is absolutely fascinating. It never disappoints. Inside Verstov, inside Wall Street, NYSE Einstein. Dow Jones Industrial Average off 260 points. We haven't seen a red day for a while. A lot of red in the screen today. This day was a roller coaster of love. Opened down 2 and change off of Walmart earnings, which missed in a big way. Okay, apparently they're online. Look, they bought Jet.com, kind of an Amazon-y thing. They're inroads into a big online logistic, purchasing, massive agent. And I don't know if they paid that much for it, but they thought it was going to increase their online presence, online earnings, and in fact it didn't. It cut it in half. I don't know if that was the particular cause of it, but net at the end of the day, that's what happened. So they missed on earnings, they missed on that. You know what? I guess it's a hard environment that way. They're up against some of the big players in the game. Right now, they're trying to get into foods, trying to get on online sales, still establishing their brick and mortar in Walmart. They closed a lot of Sam's Club stores, 63 of them to be exact. They had to stop selling tobacco over there. A lot of hair in this trade. What's most significant to know, ladies and gentlemen, that over all the years I've seen, and you see the different weightings of stocks, whether the IBMs or the Boeings or the Pfizers or whatnot, within the Dow Jones Industrial Average and within the S&P, Walmart has got to be the largest, heaviest mover of them all. I don't know if it's the heaviest weighted one, but for some reason where Walmart goes, the markets go. It's got an overall presence and effect and catalyst to other markets. So that was down big this morning. We opened down 250. Walmart rallied off of, I don't know how many points it was down, but it was significant. Could have been 10-ish. It rallied back, and that turned the market from down 2 and change to basically flat. There was a big rally post-opening. That was basically because Walmart opened, flushed out some sellers, and rallied back $2. And then the rest of the day was kind of reddish until we basically saw around 11:30 or 12. We actually went positive for a little while in the S&P. A weird divergence relative to weighting of the stocks and whatnot. But then around 2 o'clock, ladies and gentlemen, this market just caught a wind of negativity, of sell side. It followed suit with Walmart. There was definitely some selling. I don't really believe that there was any news related to this, but you know what, guys? There is a fragility. It's like walking on ice. It's about to crack in a springtime slight melt, okay? So it's important to note that when that breaks and some anxiety into the marketplace, the VIX traded around today, the UVXY, SVXY, the triple shorts, there was volatility, there was selling, and the market sold off 300 points and change after 2 o'clock. It went down in waves, big sell side, profit taking, just a sell posture, just an emotional selling. It was sizable, it was significant, and it traded down 250, 300 points in the S&P as well as the Dow. It hit a point, I don't know if it was a technical bottom or a technical support. I believe it was trading off the 50-day. In fact, that's true. And then bounced back almost 100 points. We closed down 250 in the Dow, 15 in the Russell, 16 in the SPYs. Gold was down, oil back up to $62. That's a good thing. Transport's down 170. So a lot of red in the market, volume made 50. Slightly off the highs of last week. You know what, guys at Morgan Stanley talked about it. They said that big sell-off we had a week before was just an appetizer. It was just an appetizer, not the main course. Meaning that there are guys either unwinding that short the VIX, long the equity position, or guys taking profits, or guys selling out of equities, getting into bonds. Bonds been on fire lately. Look for every day to be a different thing going on here. We got to take each day a day at a time. Stick with me, stick with Einstein, inside Verstov. I love you. I'll see you tomorrow.